right, well the motor is finally done and I think it came out amazing. Oh, the blue against the silver just looks so nice with those green gaskets. Believe it or not, I actually didn't vapor hone this thing. I just cleaned it up with a rag and some spray, and oh my goodness, look how good that looks.